Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Cash App, send and receive money easily step by step clearly. Download Cash App from the App Store on iPhone or Google Play on Android. Open Cash App and allow any requested permissions if you want smoother sign-in and notifications. Tap Sign In if you already have an account, or tap Sign Up if you are new. Choose whether you want to log in with your phone number or your email address. Enter your phone number or email exactly as you used it when you created the account. Check your SMS or email for the Cash App verification code. Type the verification code into the app to confirm it is really you. If you are asked to create a PIN, set a 4-digit Cash App PIN that you can remember. Enable Touch ID or Face ID if your phone supports it for faster and safer login. Confirm your name details if Cash App requests them during login. Review and accept the terms if you see a short agreement screen. On the home screen, tap the profile icon to verify you are logged in to the correct account. To add money, tap the Money tab and select Add Cash. Choose an amount and confirm to load your Cash App balance from your linked bank card. To link a bank account, go to the Profile menu and tap Linked Banks. Tap Link Bank and follow the prompts to connect your bank safely. To send money, tap the Pay button on the home screen. Type the amount you want to send in dollars. Enter the recipient by $cash tag, phone number, or email address. Add a short note in the For field so you remember what the payment was for. Tap Pay and confirm with your PIN or biometric to complete the transfer. To receive money, ask the sender to pay your $cash tag, or share your phone number or email. You can also tap the QR icon and let the sender scan your Cash App QR code. When money arrives, check the Activity tab to see the payment status. If you want to cash out to your bank, tap Cash Out and select the amount. Choose Standard Deposit for free or Instant Deposit for a small fee if available. For security, go to the Profile menu and turn on Security Lock if it is not already enabled. Log out only on shared devices by opening the Profile menu and selecting Sign Out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.